Retired SSS pensioners and those on disability insurance payouts have something to smile and talk about for a long time coming. An annually graduated increase of 10% over the next 3 years begins to kick in to add to their receivables starting this month. Our Harley Valbuena has more on the SSS pension reform program, which the president launched earlier today in this report.
62-year-old Filimon Oligario, a retired glassmaker, is now receiving retirement pension from Social Security System or SSS. And because of the pension hike under the SSS Pension Reform Program, his monthly pension of 7,500 pesos will now increase to 8,250 pesos.
Malaking bagay po yung dagdag na yun dahil yung pambili ng mga gamot, pandagdag sa pambili ng mga pagkain ng mga bata, kahit ganito, tumutulong pa rin ako sa mga anak ko.
Earlier today, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. led the ceremonial launching of SSS Pension Reform Program at the agency's main office in Quezon City. Under this, the retirement and disability pension will increase by 10% starting this month and will succeedingly increase by 10% in September 2026 and 10% in September 2027. Death or survivor pension, meanwhile, will increase by 5% and another 5% in September 2026 and in September 2027. If a retirement pensioner receives 2,200 pesos pension per month, it will go up to 2,420 pesos starting this month until it reaches almost 3,000 pesos come September 2027. Moreover, if a survivorship pension is currently at 2,000 pesos, it will now be 2,100 pesos starting this September. President Marcos said almost 93 billion pesos will be earmarked to fund the pension hike in 3 years.
Bilang pasasalamat sa ating mga kababayan na buong buhay na naglilingkod, nagtatrabaho para sa ating bansa. Simula nung unang araw ng Setyembre ng taong ito, itinaas na natin ang inyong buwanang pensyon. At taon-taon, ito'y tataas hanggang 2027 na walang dagdag na kontribusyon mula sa mga miyembro ng SSS.
As of September 5, 2025, over 3.8 million SSS pensioners already benefited from the Pension Reform Program.
Maraming salamat SSS at President Bongbong Marcos sa dagdag na 10% sa aming mga pensyonado.
At least nakakatulong sa araw-araw na pangangailangan. Thank you very much, mahal na Pangulo.
The launch of the pension hike was done simultaneously with the celebration of the 68th anniversary of SSS. The Chief Executive, meanwhile, has a directive to SSS and to its fellow state insurer, Government Service Insurance System or GSIS.
Invest wisely. Modernize your systems and make your processes efficient. Ensure that your services are easier to reach, be it through digital platforms or help desks and kiosks, even in the most remote areas. Make sure your services are available whenever the need arises, wherever the need arises.
Harley Valbuena from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.